To prevent serious injury from pressurized fluid, you need to conduct a pressure relief procedure before starting or performing any cleaning and maintenance. To do this, engage the gun trigger lock. Turn the power off. Turn the prime or spray valve to prime position. Turn the pressure control knob to the lowest setting. Disengage trigger lock. Point the gun to a waste pail and trigger the gun to relieve pressure. Then engage the gun trigger lock again. With the pressure relief procedure complete, the next thing we need to do is to flush out the storage fluid. 1. Separate the two tubes. Place drain tube in a waste pail. 2. Submerge the suction tube into a pail filled with water if spraying water-based material, or mineral spirits if spraying oil-based material. Here we use water. 3. Press the push start button twice. 4. Rotate the pressure control knob to the clean position. 5. Make sure the prime or spray valve is at prime position. 6. Power on the sprayer. 7. When the sprayer starts pumping, flushing fluid will flow up the suction tube and out the drain tube. Allow it to circulate the sprayer until the fluid flows smoothly out of the drain for 30 seconds. 8. Lower the pressure and turn power off. Your sprayer is now flush, clean, and ready to get primed. To prime the pump. 1. Submerge the suction tube into paint. 2. Check the prime or spray valve remains at the prime position. 3. Power on the sprayer. Increase the pressure control until the motor starts. 4. Wait to see the paint flow smoothly out of the drain tube. Now that the pump is primed, lower the pressure and power off your sprayer. Now that the pump is primed, we have to get the hose full of paint. To do this, 1. Rotate the spray tip to unclogged position. 2. Disengage the gun trigger lock and point it into the waste pail. Pull and hold the gun trigger. 3. Turn prime or spray valve to spray position. 4. Turn power switch on. 5. When paint comes out, release the gun trigger. 6. Engage the gun trigger lock. 7. Attach the drain tube to suction tube. 8. Rotate the spray tip back to the spray position. Now the sprayer is all set, but before you jump into your painting project, test uncovered to ensure you have everything down before you start. Now, you can work on your projects, but cleaning is also a very vital part of maintaining your sprayer. See you in the next episode.